How to fix Roblox error code 279. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your desktop. Now you just have to go to run and type percentage symbol, app data, percentage symbol, and then click OK. Now once you open this, you just have to click this app data here, and then you have to click local. Now you have to scroll down and look for Roblox folder. So scroll down till you see that Roblox folder here. And once you found this Roblox folder, all you have to do is just simply right click and then click delete. So after you delete it, you have to go to your desktop. This time you have to run the command prompt. To do that, all you have to do is simply search it on the search bar below. Okay, so open command prompt. Now you just have to type and follow what I'm about to do in this part. So here, all you have to do is just simply type the following: ipconfig and then space, now slash, and then type flush DNS. And then after that, you just have to press enter. Now here you have to type this again, so just follow me. Net sh space winsock space reset. And then after that, press enter. And then here, all you have to do is to simply type exit. Then it will exit the command prompt. Okay, the next thing to do here is to just simply go to the search bar again and then go to view network connections, click open, and then here all you have to do is right click Ethernet. Okay, or you can just simply click this also, but you can just simply right click and then go to properties directly, or you can go also to status. Now click properties. Okay, and then after that you just have to scroll down and tap internet protocol. Okay, you have to double click this one. So once you click this, you have to go to properties. Okay, and then here in properties, you just have to type the following. You just have to follow this. So tap this, use the following DNS server addresses, prefer DNS server. So you just have to simply type 1111, and then alternate DNS server, we have 1001. And then after that, all you have to do is to click OK. Okay, click OK. And then after that, you just have to go to your desktop and then open your Roblox and see if it fixed the Roblox error code 279. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.